Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a beautiful Kuhn model K24/53 forging hammer. It's an air hammer. The ram weight is 110 pounds. Wired 220 volt, 3-phase. All original paint. Some kind of shop-made base. Just wood block sandwiched between two heavy steel plates. Looks like a sheet of micarta under the machine. It has a flat die in the bottom, and the die on top is flat on one edge and radiused on the other half. We put it on, I'll pound the little aluminum, and I don't have a forge in here, so there's your lower die, your radiused upper die. It's approximately 220 hits per minute. Got about 8 inches between the upper die and the lower die. Brittle aluminum, that didn't work. I wasn't cut out to be a blacksmith. Well, you get the idea, it works. Don't want to bang the dies up, but see, the machine works well. These air hammers are hard to find. The weight of the machine is about 1,960 pounds without the base. Imagine for the base you can add another 400 or 500 pounds. The ram is approximately 6 inches in diameter. It's in good shape. Check this machine out and more on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.